Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So a couple hours ago, me and cameraman both went to McDonald's and we heard the news that Sonic 2 was at McDonald's Happy Meals. So cameraman got me and himself surprisingly a Happy Meal, and we got the same toy. So I decided to do the other one on my own and do the other one while recording. So this is the front of the toy. There is steps involved. I had a little trouble with the stickers, because I had to get cameraman to do it for me. But yeah, let's get this open. Okay, we're gonna try to open it while filming. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. 1 second. Okay, I got it open. I was just continuing to do what I was already doing. And here we are. I don't know if this is a snowboard or something, but there's that. I'll put that to the side. We got Sonic. I think they do different toys, different weeks. Maybe that's how it works. And then we got the sticker sheet. And I think this one I'm gonna need scissors. Only if there was a... Oh, wait. There might be a way. Yeah, no, I need scissors. Hold on, guys. Okay, so eventually I just used a pencil to get the stickers open. So now I see an A on here. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna put it on first shoe. Okay. Alright, you got it. Here is the first shoe. If I can get this on here. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's get this on this shoe. Sorry I'm not talking, guys. I'm just really focused on here. On this. It's really hard. Okay, let me just do it off camera. Okay, so eventually I finally got it. It was easy and hard at the same time. But yeah. So now let's get our snowboard. And let's put it on. And here we go, and I'll show you guys what it does. Okay, so we have a bunch of Nintendo Switch games, because we're gonna pull it all the way back, because that... we have all these Nintendo Switch games, and we're gonna roll it on here. So, yeah, let's get it. It kind of worked. Alright, so I thought we could do better than that. So now we have an actual table. Make sure there isn't any dirt. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so I think this actually does work. 4K Kids Pets. If you don't know why I called him Sales, well, I thought Sonic, if you put Sonic's first letter of his name, S, and replace it with Tails' first letter of his name, T, it gives you Sails, and like you're sailing. So, yeah, that's how I got the name of that, BTW. By the way, that's what that means. But, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Maybe, since I told Cameraman if we both got Sonic, I think, at the end of April, we should go back to McDonald's, because I think they do a different character each week. So maybe next week we could get Tails or Knuckles. Maybe, the mystery character. And, I will do a spoiler review soon, but, the mystery character is, well, I think if you've seen the movie already, you already know. But if you haven't, and you just want these McDonald's toys, well, I won't spoil it for you. But, yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time, and I will do a spoiler review of Sonic 2, and I will show you who the mystery character is. He's on my calendar. Do you want me to show it to you? And then everyone's gonna be like, no! It is...